Middle school friendships can feel like a puzzle with missing pieces. One day you're laughing with friends, the next you're alone at lunch, wondering what changed. It can feel isolating. It feels like everyone else got a secret rulebook, but nobody has it all figured out. Everyone is just trying their best. Making friends is confusing because everyone's changing, including you. You're all trying to figure out who you are and where you fit in. It's a period of intense self-discovery, and it's bound to be a little chaotic. Everyone's nervous, everyone wants to fit in. Realizing you're not alone is the first step. You don't need a secret rulebook, just a toolkit of social skills. Skills that can be learned, practiced, and improved upon. These are skills you can learn and practice just like anything else. You'll mess up sometimes, and that's okay. It's part of the learning process. Friendships are a journey, not a test. Let's build your toolkit together. So, what exactly are social skills? They're your superpowers for connecting with people. They help you show the world who you truly are. Listening is the foundation of any good relationship. Pay attention to what others are saying, ask thoughtful questions, and show you care. Empathy is crucial. Offer kindness and support, especially when they're going through a tough time. Communication matters. It's how we share our thoughts. Share your thoughts clearly and respectfully. These skills can turn a simple hello into a real friendship. Social skills are learned and developed over time. Use them to build strong connections and watch your relationships flourish. Let's bust some common friendship myths that might be holding you back. Myth 1. Popular people automatically have the best social skills and are therefore the best friends. Not true. Popularity isn't the same as being a good friend. Friendship is about genuine connection and support. Myth 2. You're either born with amazing social skills or you're simply not destined to have them. Wrong. Social skills are learned just like riding a bike. It takes practice and patience. Start with something simple like saying hi to someone new. You don't have to be outgoing to make friends. You just need to take initiative and show that you're open to connecting with others. Myth 3. You have to be perfect to be worthy of friendship. Nope. Everyone makes mistakes, and that's part of being human. The real skill is learning from those mistakes and being willing to apologize. Every awkward moment is a chance to grow. Friendship is about connecting on a real level and genuinely caring about the other person. Anyone can get better at building and maintaining friendships, and that includes you. How do you get better at social skills? Practice, just like a gym for your friendship muscles. Start small. Make eye contact, smile, say hi. Each small action builds confidence. Try sharing one idea in a group or asking someone about their day. You don't have to be the loudest, just participate. Some days will be easy, others tough. That's normal. Don't get discouraged if things feel awkward. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. Celebrate small wins. Every effort counts. These skills will help you for life, not just in school. Friendships make everything better, so be kind, be brave, and keep practicing.